today is Jay's flyout day, so we're just gonna rush over to Apia and have some breakfast with the family. So, yeah.
I just wanted to ask you, what happened to your U?
Sorry?
What happened to the U?
We had to take it back, so this was a better option for us. Yeah, family van.
You look like a dad. Where's your kids? What's up, TNS family? Welcome to Samoa. Choo!
Good morning to you all.
Good morning, family.
So pulled up to a cafe called All Things Sweet. We're gonna have a bit of breakfast with Jay and Rhea because brother Jay is heading back home in a couple of hours, in a few hours actually.
Yeah.
So we just come over to have a bit of breakfast, you know, break bread and have a little chat because we won't see him for the whole year.
Well,
and
hopefully we do. Who knows?
And who knows, we might see him at Christmas.
We're just gonna go inside, have some breakfast, and then we will probably go with Riri to drop off her husband because she might cry on her way there. She might need some comfort. So yeah, family, let's get this vlog started. Let's go. So I think he's gonna get that New Zealand milk.
Nah, no milk. Otherwise I'll be in the toilet all day.
My husband's being sad guy. I was like to him, I really want a sausage, so can I have one of your sausages? And he's like, no chance. No chance?
No chance. Unless there's a fair trade, then I'm willing to.
How can I'm only getting an expeditive. How can I trade with you?
Fam, that was her choice, wasn't it?
Okay fam, so I just got iced coffee. Amazing that looks. What's this? Is you?
What's up? I got the egg spinning and a blockchain. So I got the brekkie, what was it called? Brekkie wrap. Oh yeah. Ted, what is
Egg. Egg.
Hey, what's up TNS family? What's up TNS family? Okay then. What's up?
Thank you God for teaching. God this morning that Jay go back to New Zealand. But now go to afternoon breakfast today morning, and after that take home to the airport.
Okay family, we're gonna have our breakfast now, but we're gonna give you a taste try. I can't wait to dig into this. I think I'm just gonna go with hands. Something like this. Forward. That is so good. That bacon is what I was craving for this morning. Alright family, we're going to continue eating. I'm going to fast forward this.
What's up, TNS family? It's your boy Jay here. So what I got today was ole scrambled mala bread. Mangai ngai ngasum with the cream films. No good. No good. My breakfast this morning, 9.5 out of 8. 9.5 out of 8. So today also I'm going back to New Zealand. Weather was very hot in Samoa, but I enjoyed my trip here with the fams. Got to visit some of my family as well. But yeah, so see you next time then. Take care and have a blessed 2020. God bless. Peace out.
Lelo famoni e o ileoti Bele ea o le maata ua Safoa ina mai ele atua Olo uola wala mona le vaiva Ai Lelo famoni na o
Okay fam, so I'm just inside the bathroom. Public announcement.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys what the toilets look like inside the airport. Mind you, aircon, so you can pee and poo in like cool air. And yeah, the toilets have gone much nicer from their last airport. So I'm definitely rating it a good, yeah, I'm definitely rating it a good 10. Good 10.
They've reached the time, family. Our brother Jay is going on business.
Yeah, fight.
But Jay, love you so. God bless you, bro. See you soon.
You've got a moment on your own, or should we still come with you?
Okay, so love you, bro. God bless you. Pauso. Hey, Tswa. God bless us. Aww. It's not Iswa, it's not Iswa. There you have a family. It's our first goodbye for 2020. Not a goodbye, sorry. See you later. It's our first see you later for 2020 family.
Oh, we're gonna miss him so much.
Yeah, they're not tears of sadness, they're tears of joy because we finally got to kick it with him.
Yeah, we haven't seen Jay in like ages, so it was really good that he came. Oh, such a crybaby. Everyone's staring at us. We're crying. We're crying and everyone's staring, but we're vlogging.
Nah, but yeah, it was a bit sad to have our time cut short. Hey, it was time well spent with those of Jay. But if you end up seeing this, we love you. God bless you. Take care of yourself. Yeah, that's it. You never fold. Love you, Paleolo Airport. We love you, Samoa.
Okay, TNS family, we're gonna end the vlog here. This vlog is seriously dedicated to our brother Jay. You know, like I said, we hadn't seen Jay in like so long, in ages, so it was so good to see him. And yeah, again, I'm gonna start crying again, but
it's alright, baby.
But yeah, family, my sister's gonna do so my sister Riri's gonna do the ngupu shout out because this vlog is dedicated to her husband. So Ria, who does the ngupu shout out go to? It goes to Seesaw Manonotai. So Seesaw, we actually seen your comments seriously 5 times, and this was requested 5 times on different vlogs. So shout out to you, Seesaw, and yeah, shout out to Mangongokai. If you are from Mangongokai, go down to the comment section, hashtag Mangongokai. You know what to do. But like we always say, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So far,